Alright, we're back with part 2 of this video series. I'm going to be using the Behringer FLOW8 to live stream to Facebook Live, and I'm going to show you how I have the Behringer FLOW8 settings set up. We're going to be looking at the app right here, which is run off an iPhone right now. I'm speaking into my MXL 990, as you can see here, which is input 1, and the gain looks good. I have a low cut at 100 Hertz. And my level is generally fine. I don't really want to change anything, so that's a good level. And now for my keyboard, I have my Nord here, 61 key. I have a stereo input into channel 7 and 8 on the Behringer. And just so you know, here's channel 1, which is the MXL 990 input there. Okay, so let's take a look at how we're going to set up the Nord here. So I have my gain all the way set up, but I just want to start fresh. So let's see here. I'm going to take all the settings off so we could get into it. Okay. So I could barely hear it. And now I'm going to turn it up. Here's the gain. So you could see I'm already hearing a little noise. I'm going to turn up the master level input on the keyboard here, just like right there. And then maybe that might give me a little bit more gain, so I don't have to turn up the gain on the Behringer because it tends to be a little noisy. So let's check it out. That's great. And so doing the levels here, as you could see, things are peaking, kind of kissing the orange level area of the main out, which is generally where I want my live stream audio to be, and the piano seems to be in the same spot as well. I like the sound of that, so I'm going to commit to it. I don't really want to do anything in terms of compression or any EQ. I think it sounds fine for this setup, so we'll leave that as is. One thing to notice is that the main outs need to be at 0 dB, and that's unity gain, and that also equals -18 in the digital world. So 0 dB is unity, and in order to find that on this mixer, it's really easy. All you have to do is turn the dial and look at the screen, and it'll show you where 0 dB is. So 0 dB is right here. And you could also look by going on the main out and looking at that level in the top left-hand corner. The value also changes when you change the main master fader knob. So there's 2 ways to find out. Okay, so I'm going to do a little live stream test now using an iPhone X to go on Facebook Live, and we're going to see how everything sounds now that we got everything dialed in. All right, that is the Facebook Live test. Well, I hope this made things clear about what you could get for basically free and also at a really low price. Live streaming audio could be very affordable if you choose to go this route, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is and how killer sounding the audio can be. So thanks again. Take a look at the video in the description, the link for the Behringer FLOW8 tutorial. And also, if you're interested, take a look at this live streaming course, this little mini free course that I've developed. When you sign up to my email list, you'll get the ins and outs of how I connect my audio interface to everything and how I live stream. So thanks again. I'll see you next time.